You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this grape, the name of this French grape variety. If you want to learn more about French wine, you'll find the right channel. I'm a wine expert, but also make French pronunciation. So let's go through how it's pronounced in French. It's pronounced as Counoise, a red grape variety. Counoise, N-O-I is like N-W-A, noix, Counoise. Counoise. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can easily say it as Counoise, Counoise. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.